Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August the 4th, 2025, and we're down here in the new onion patch. Now a lot of these onions were taken out, and you can see we did have a few weeds come up in the fabric, but if we wouldn't have had this down, this whole thing would be covered with all kinds of weeds like that and that back there, and you wouldn't even be able to find your onions if they would even still be alive. So this fabric definitely helped with weed control, and you can see how large these onions got here. I'll show you what was already taken out then. They're back at the house. And we are in a drought right now. We haven't gotten rain for I don't know how long now. So we've been watering with the water tanks. And what happened was we tried to weed this out after the onions were larger, but what we ran into was, hold on here, let's put these down. We started ripping the onions out, and that wasn't working. So we had to abandon trying to weed anything out and just sort of let it go.
Yeah, like I said.
So we're just gonna, yeah, this is soft. Oh, it's stuck too.
Yeah, it does, honey.
That's a nice one.
Yes, they sure
This is some of the nicest onions we've had for a while.
I truly believe that.
Now, they are starting to get big in the other.
That's soft.
So, the ones up in the garden, they are starting to get big. This is soft. That's soft. This one feels soft. What do you think? Is it soft for you?
Yeah, it's falling over.
Yeah. So we're not taking all of these out yet. We're only taking the ones out that are done. And when they start falling over, they're usually done, or this right here will be really soft. Now sometimes what's soft to one person isn't always soft to another, so you just do your best with them. This one back here is a really nice one. That's a Red of Florence there. That one's not ready yet. This one here, yeah, this one's ready. So for this being the first time that this was ever planted, we're very pleased with how well it did. And this was watered. We had our water tanks down here that we were watering them with, so that, oh, okay, that's stuck. Oh boy, it's stuck. So we had our water tanks that we were watering our onions with. There. Yeah, I had to tear the plastic some to, or not the plastic, the weed barrier some to get it out. So we did lose a few of them, but we're very pleased with what we got. Now, these here will get taken out later. They're not ready to be taken out yet. So we're letting those in. See, this one here is going to be, this is a big bulb here under this. So this is what we got here out of today's harvest, and then we'll be taking these back to the house, and we'll be getting these tops here cut down, and then we'll be letting them cure to dry for storing them. So these are the ones that were harvested earlier, and you can see how the tops of these were cut off. Now they've been laying for a few days now, and you can see about how much was left on, and it kind of varies. But you just want to make sure that you have a clean pair of scissors or pruning shears when you cut these. And then we lay them out on a table, or you can use a screen to dry them. Some people have fans run across them to dry them. Some people do hang theirs up and let them dry like that. Now, we used to do that, but we get a lot of humidity at times, so that sometimes works against us for drying. So right now we just have them laid out like this so they can air dry. You do want to turn them and make sure that they're drying properly. Anything that looks like it's trying to rot or has some type of an issue with it, you definitely want to address that. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.